If you're wondering how to import emails into an AWeber list, you're in the right place. In this quick AWeber explanation, we'll walk you through exactly how to import emails into your AWeber list, plus why this process is important for anyone looking to grow their email marketing list effectively. First thing you'll want to do is log into your AWeber account. If you haven't set up an account yet, just head over to their website, create one, and then log in. Once you're in, go to the Subscribers section in the navigation menu. This is where you'll manage everything related to your list. Next thing, you need to click on the Add Subscribers button. From here, you'll have the option to add subscribers manually, upload a file, or import from another service. If you have your email stored in a CSV file, this is the easiest way. Just select Upload a File and choose your CSV file. AWeber supports CSV files with a simple format, so make sure your email list is structured properly with the email addresses in one column. The third thing to keep in mind is mapping your fields. After uploading your CSV, you'll see a screen asking you to map your fields. This just means AWeber needs to know which columns in your file correspond to things like email addresses, names, or any other custom fields. Make sure to review and adjust the mapping to ensure everything is aligned properly. Next, you'll want to choose which list you want to add these contacts to. AWeber allows you to have multiple lists, so just pick the one you want these new emails to go into. Once selected, click on an Add Subscribers button and AWeber will automatically upload your list into the selected campaign. The fifth thing, and this is where many get tripped up, AWeber allows you to segment your list, meaning you can create tags and groups to better target different sections of your audience. This is super important because it helps you send more relevant emails, increasing engagement. If your list is large, segmentation will make a huge difference in your email campaigns. Now, importing emails into AWeber is great, but it's not the only option out there. While AWeber is one of the top players in email marketing, you might want to consider other platforms depending on your specific goals. If you're looking for more automation, better integrations, or just a more streamlined experience, platforms like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit might be worth checking out. These options often provide more flexible segmentation and smoother workflows. The sixth thing, and here's the part you're probably waiting for, we have an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try out AWeber, we've got an extended free trial just for our viewers. But before you click on that, I also recommend exploring some alternatives that could suit your needs even better, especially if your goal is advanced automation or more intuitive workflows. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits, which aren't available anywhere else. So, whether you're sticking with AWeber or trying out a competitor, now you know how to import emails into an AWeber list and can make the best decision for your email marketing. Don't forget to check out those alternative options, because getting the right platform can make all the difference.